Good morning class. As yesterday we have completed with the first chapter from our reader book. Now today, first of all, let me tell you that you have to open your workbooks today. Now today we are going to start with the first chapter in our English literature workbook, that is Nani's Walk to the Park. You have to open page number 1 in your workbook, and today what we are going to do in that is we have been given a passage about Gulmohar tree. First of all, I am going to read that passage and explain it to you. After explaining, at the back we have been given some of the fill in the blanks and answer the questions, short questions from the passage. We have been given some of the questions from passage. You have to answer that from your passage only. We have been given 5 answers and 6 or 7 fill in the blanks. You have to do that in your workbook only. Don't write anything in your notebooks. You just have to write the work of today in your workbook only. Now let us begin with the reading and explanation of the passage from your books. Good morning class. As I have already told you that today we are going to start with workbook of English literature. This is your workbook. This is your cover page of your workbook. Now open to page number 1 in your workbook. First chapter is chapter 1, Nani's Walk to the Park. The name of the chapter is Nani's Walk to the Park. In this chapter we have been given a passage. I have already told you this earlier also that we have been given a passage. You have to read this passage, and after reading this passage you have to answer these questions. Fill in the blanks, write short answers for the given questions. You have to, after reading and explaining, I will explain you this passage, and we will then after this we will find the answers from this passage only. Now let us read the passage. Let us read about the Gulmohar tree. Gulmohar is the name of the tree, and we are going to read about that tree, the fire tree. Gulmohar tree is also known as the fire tree. The Gulmohar is one of the most beautiful trees in the world. We can say that Gulmohar is the most beautiful tree in the world. It is also called the fire tree. We can also name it as fire tree. It is commonly found in many cities in India. We can mainly found these trees in many cities of India. Its bright red flowers bloom in April and May. The flowers of Gulmohar tree bloom means they come in April and May. Its small green leaves give cool and airy shade during summer. The small leaves of Gulmohar tree gives us cool and airy shade during summer season. Its leaves turn yellow and fall in November. The leaf of Gulmohar tree turns yellow, means pale yellow type color, and then fall in November season. Green leaves reappear in March. When they fall in November season, after that Gulmohar tree green leaves reappear. That means after that they come in March season. Flowers of Gulmohar tree have 5 spoon-shaped petals. They have 5 spoon-type shaped petals and wrinkly edges. Edges means sides of it. In each flower, 4 petals are red. In each and every flower, 4 petals of it are red. The 5th petal is yellow in color. It is being describing about how the Gulmohar flower looks like. The 5th petal is yellow in color and has red dots on it. The 5th petal of it is yellow in color and has red dots on it. A Gulmohar tree is planted for its shade and beauty. Gulmohar tree is being planted for its shade and beauty because it looks too beautiful. Its light brown bark is soft. However, it is not a very strong tea. It is not a very strong tea. tree like neem, people, they are very strong. But Gulmohar tree is not that much strong. It uproots easily during storm. That means it can come out easily during stormy season. Nevertheless, it is a favorite among birds like coppersmith barbet, brown-headed barbet, common myna, and other makes their nest in Gulmohar tree. Which bird make their nest? Coppersmith barbet, brown-headed barbet, common myna, and other. They all make their nest in this Gulmohar tree. I hope you all have understood this passage. Now let us move to the exercises of this passage. You have to fill it in your book only. Don't write anything in your notebooks. A is fill in the blanks with the word from the passage. You have to fill in the blanks with the words being used in the passage only. First is a Gulmohar is also called the dash tree. A Gulmohar is also called the fire tree. Second is flowers of Gulmohar tree have 5 spoon-shaped petals. Third one is its leaf turn dash and fall in November. Its leaves turn yellow and fall in November. Fourth one is a Gulmohar is not a very strong tree. It gets dash in storm. It gets uproots in storms. Fifth one is it is planted for its shade and beauty. Now, here we complete with the fill in the blanks. Now, let us move to the question and answer. You have to write short answers for the given questions. We have been given some of the questions from a passage only. You have to write some of the short answers from this. When does Gulmohar tree bloom? Now I have written the answers for you. When does Gulmohar tree bloom? Gulmohar tree bloom in April and May season. The tree blooms in April and May season. Now let us move to second answer. Second is, when do the bright green leaves appear on the Gulmohar tree? And this you have to tell, when does the green leaves appear? Green leaves appear on a Gulmohar tree in March. They appear in March season. Third question is, write the sentences that describe a Gulmohar flower. You have to write those sentences over here that tell us about the Gulmohar flowers. Flowers of a Gulmohar tree are bright red in color. They are red in color and have 5 spoon-shaped petals and wrinkly edges. I have already explained these things to you. Fourth one is Gulmohar a strong tree? Why? Why not? You have to tell whether it is a strong tree, or if not, then too you have to tell the reason, and if why, then too you have to tell the reason. No, it is not a very strong tree as it uproots easily during storms. As it uproots, that is get out easily during stormy season. Fifth question is, name any 2 birds that nest in a Gulmohar tree. You have to tell the name of the 2 birds that nest in a Gulmohar tree. Coppersmith barbet and the brown-headed barbet. These are the 2 names of the birds, Coppersmith barbet and the brown-headed barbet, which makes their nest in the Gulmohar tree. Now, this much you are going to do in your workbooks today. Homework for you all is you have to learn this, fill in the blanks and write short answers from your workbook only. Thank you.